Rusty Barn. Walk with me. We are hot on the trail here in North Carolina. Mint Hill, exactly. Grandson's Jack. Levi, what'd you find? Anything?
No. Nothing.
Well, come on. We got 3 more miles to walk. 3. We're just getting started.
It's not been a mile.
Okay, we got 3.5 more miles. A nice bridge. I like it.
No way. Yeah.
Did you guys run it?
Yeah.
Did you try to run it? How about you, Levi? Did you try running it?
I tried running.
Okay, well, good. Let's keep going, see if we can find some otter.
Yes!
They'd be in a creek. Otters like creek, they like water. So far, we haven't seen anything other than what was in the Discovery Center as you first came into the park. This is called Stevens Creek. What about that? Nature preserve. Sorry if I'm going a little fast. Trying to keep up with the young ones. You can hear some cars in the background. That's I-485 circling Charlotte, North Carolina. Beautiful July day, 2025. There's a creek. Doesn't seem to be going anywhere. See one little fishy. See if he'll smile at me. Here, fishy, fishy. Below water, you can't hear me. All right, let's go on. Let's see where those young'uns went to. Here we go. A wasp. We are on the hill splitter. North Carolina Tar Heels. You know what those are? They're from the Revolutionary War. The British said they called them Tar Heels because they stuck to the ground and would not flee. North Carolina Tar Heels. Good name. Wish they had a good football team. We'll see how they turn out this year. Basketball, of course, is good. It's a little humid, but it's nice. I'll walk real quiet so you can hear the bugs. Obviously, we can't hear the kids. They must be a mile down the road. Don't tell their parents. I'll let you go, Shalom.